Chapter 23: CRM and Client Management. Good relationships with clients are at the heart of any successful business. A CRM, customer relationship management system, is a tool that helps manage these relationships, from the first contact to repeat sales. But traditional CRM systems are just databases where you have to manually enter information. Intelligent technologies are changing CRM, transforming it from a database into an intelligent assistant. Modern systems are capable of analyzing customer behavior, forecasting their needs, and personalizing communication at scale. This chapter will show you how to use these capabilities to manage client relationships to increase their loyalty and boost sales. Modern CRM systems, such as Salesforce or HubSpot, help at every stage. Analytical algorithms can analyze customer data and predict which ones are most likely to make a purchase or, conversely, leave you. This allows you to focus on the most promising clients. Also, by using these capabilities, CRM systems can offer clients products and content that are of interest to them. For example, if a client bought a course on SMM, the system can offer them a course on email marketing. Practical application of intelligent systems in CRM. Let's move to practice and break down how you can use intelligent tools in your CRM system. Even if you are a freelancer and work with a small number of clients, these technologies will help you become more effective. First, personalizing offers. CRM systems analyze client data, purchase history, interests, demographics, and based on this, they suggest the most relevant products or services. Prompt: I sell online courses. A client bought a course on SEO optimization. Write a personalized email that offers them the next course on content marketing. The email should be friendly and explain why these two courses complement each other. Second, forecasting client churn. Client churn is the main problem for any business. Analytical algorithms can help you predict which clients are about to leave and prevent it. How it works? The system analyzes client behavior. A decrease in activity, they've stopped opening emails, they haven't made a purchase for a long time. Based on this analysis, it can assign the client a at-risk status. You can set up automatic notifications to contact this client and offer them something valuable. Third, automating communication. Smart assistants in CRM systems can automate routine communication. Welcome emails. You can set up an automatic welcome email to be sent when a new client enters your database. Subscription renewal reminders. The system can automatically send reminders to clients whose subscriptions are about to expire. Sending personalized offers. You can set up the system to send personalized offers based on a client's actions. For example, if they visited a specific products page but didn't buy it, the system can send them an email that explains the benefits of that product and offers to buy it. Monetization. You can earn money in two main ways. First way, selling CRM setup services. Many companies understand the importance of CRM but don't know how to set it up correctly. You can offer the following services: CRM integrations. Help with data migration and connecting the system to the website and email newsletters. Automation setup. Creating automated email chains, reminders, and personalized offers. Staff training. Conducting training for employees so they can effectively use the new system. Second way, automating sales. With an intelligent CRM system, you can set up automated processes that will bring you income. Upsell and cross-sell. The system can automatically send personalized offers to clients who have already bought something. For example, if a client bought a design course, the CRM can offer them a course on AI illustration. Repeat sales. Smart reminders for subscription renewals or repeat purchases help the business owner maintain a stable income. Conclusion. CRM with intelligent systems is a tool that turns client management from a routine task into a strategic process. It allows you to not just store data, but to use it for business growth.
By mastering these skills, you will be able to build strong relationships with clients, increase their loyalty, and as a result, increase your income.